Hello everybody and welcome back to the AI Girl channel. My name's Alicia and I am your AI Girl. And today I'm gonna help you guys not get catfished by AI because it is a thing. You can create any image you desire with Midjourney and other tools out there. How do you know that the photo is real? So today I'm going to make sure and walk you through some steps on how you could take precautions to make sure that when you're on those dating apps that AI isn't fooling you. And if you like what you see today, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. All right, but let's get right into it and let's save you from a lot of trouble. Okay, so the first step to making sure that you are not getting catfished is first, we have to make sure that the picture is a real person. And thank God to AIorNot.com. And I said it, AIorNot.com. We are able to check within the matter of seconds if that video is generated by AI or not. So here you guys can see it is Optic AI or not. And it's very simple. You go to this page and it is literally right here. You drag and drop, and within seconds, we're going to know whether it's AI driven or not. So let me show you guys really quick. These are the photos that we are working with today. We have this photo right here of me that you guys can see, and then there's a bunch more. So we got that one right there. We have, oops. I'm just gonna let them populate. We got that one. We got that one. And we got that one. And we're going to see which ones are AI generated. And guys, I know you're probably already laughing at me. I am not amazing with Midjourney yet, so I can only make them as realistic as I possibly can. And so we know what we're kind of working with, but really this is for you guys to be able to test this out for yourself in the future with images that may, be AI or not. So let's get this party started. Okay, so the first image that we're working with is this one right here. It's of me laying down, and let's see if it's real or not. So all we do, it's very simple. We just drag it right on in, and within seconds, we know this image is generated. Wow, that's incorrect, guys. That actually just lied to us. That image is not taken by AI. That is me. I took that. So I'm going to tell it, no, this was taken by me. This is not AI. They have not messed up yet, so you might want to double check it sometimes, because I did this one before and it told me that it was a real image. So maybe that's a good thing for us to know, to redo this a few times and make sure. But this next image is this one right here. We're going to drag and drop this one in. And let's see what it says. And yes, this one was generated by AI, as we may or may not already have known. So I'm going to hit here and let them know correct, because clearly we got to make this just a little bit smarter. I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to redo that one that they said was AI that really wasn't. I'm just going to drag it in there because I don't like that. They keep saying it was generated by AI. That is insane. Absolutely insane. So the only thing I could think of is I tried using this with Midjourney, this image, to create other images. So I wonder if that's what's going on. Let's try this one right here. So this one of me. Let's see what they say. So this image is generated by a human, and that is correct. Just like the first one. This is me. This was me in St. Lucia, and that is 1000% not AI generated. So I'm going to let it know. Good job. You were correct. Thank you. And here is another one where that is me again in St. Lucia. I'm being a little bit, fun around the sun, a little wet. And let's try this. And we are human. Thank God. Thank you for telling me I'm a human. So yay, that is correct. And now, last but not least, we have this photo right here. Me being a little, what do you call it? Ninja? Not a ninja. One of those, I don't know. Whatever you call these type of people. And that is correct. This was not really me, and this was generated by AI. So I'm going to let it know. Great job. I still don't know what's going on with that first one, because this is usually accurate. So maybe they just thought that I looked too perfect in that, and they were like, that's got to be AI. Just kidding, obviously. this is a really good tool for you guys to play around with, because if you are being catfished by somebody who created something in AI, or if there's an image out there that's trending on the internet too that you just want to make sure of, just drop it in here, aiornot.com. You can't forget it, and you have the feedback within seconds. Okay, so this next software is going to help us realize whether we are talking to an AI bot or not. So as you guys know, there's so many chat bots out there, and there's so many different streamlines of communication from certain platforms out there to, all the dating apps where how do we know it's a real human? So thankfully to XeroGPT.com, and like I said, XeroGPT.com, we can see whether it detects this text being written by AI or not. So, and what I really like about this software is it gives you a meter where it's saying, oh, this is 100% written, 0% written, 30% written, and it kind of has some understanding, and it kind of goes into detail as well of what text do they believe is AI generated. So it's pretty cool. So I'm going to share with you some love letters that I was written, and we're going to see whether they were AI generated or not. So let's check out this first one. And so once we go to the site, guys, it's pretty simple, XeroGPT.com, and you literally just copy and paste your text right in and hit detect text. And then within seconds, it tells us your text is written by a human. So thankfully, this guy can go on a second date with me because his love letter was real. So pretty cool. And it tells you even the character count, all that, just in case you wanted to know. But let's try another one that I was given. Yikes. Okay, so this one, your text is most likely AI GPT generated, and it is saying 77.31%. So this guy tried to fool me, guys. He gave me a love letter that he used ChatGPT for. And what's really cool is you could see how many or what their thinking is. So it's funny, they're saying the I love you wasn't written by ChatGPT, but everything else was. So they have it all highlighted, which is pretty cool. So dang, well, we already know that person ain't getting a call back. So that's pretty funny and crazy how it can do that. So very important, guys, because, we don't want this happening to you. We want everything to be a real human, as you deserve that. So make sure that you check out these two platforms, AI or Not and XeroGPT, to make sure that you're not being catfished or that you're not talking to a robot. We never know what's going on in the world of things today, especially with the photo side of things, because obviously my photos were clearly AI generated, but there are people that are really skilled at creating these now where you really might not know. So anyway, if you like what you saw today, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching the AI Girls channel. My name is Alicia Waldner, and I am your AI girl. Until next time.